What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning, hope you're all doing great, hope you're having a great weekend, and in this video we will talk about Solar again and the SXP token. We haven't talked about this token in, I'm not sure, like 3 weeks perhaps, a little bit less, over 2 weeks at least. But Solar, obviously, most of you probably still know it from that huge rally we had back in at the end of March, beginning of April. Rallied all the way from, well, what is it, like 25 cents to 90 cents. Huge rally. And since then we have dropped down quite a bit, as you can see. But we are still way higher than where we were there. We were still about 100% higher. And yesterday and today we actually got some bullish momentum as well. You can see that the volume right now is up towards just above 200 million. Which is not comparable to the volume we received in that initial bull run, but still it's quite high. So then the big question is can we actually rally higher than this? And I think the answer is yes, but we do have to kind of fulfill to certain criteria. Because usually what you see with cryptos like this, so that had a huge bull run, which was surely manipulated. I think so, at least. You might disagree with me, but all right. Usually what you have is you have second rallies from strong support levels. So here from around 60 cents, we managed to rally a bit. Yesterday we hit around 50 cents and at 200 EMA, so we are rallying a bit. But we do have to hold and get certain and reach certain confirmations, bullish confirmations, to hold these levels and to be able to rally up even more, because in the end we also found quite strong resistance. So that's what we'll talk about in the rest of this video. Before we get into that though, if you want to receive daily trading signals, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment, and there you'll find instructions on how to join. But now onto Solar. So what we did with this, which is not nothing, is we actually broke above this bearish trend line, which hasn't been confirmed or respected that much, but still it is it's a legit one. It's not that it's an invalid trend line, but we broke above that. But apart from that, I mean, right now the biggest thing is actually that level. So I'm actually going to delete this key level and replace it with a different one, because you can see that that time has told us that there is basically a different level. This is kind of the most important level. So it's around 60 cents all the way down to like 57.5 cents. That's the main support level, all right? We need to hold that. If we can hold that for the next 24 hours, then I think we can actually rally back up to 68 cents and perhaps even get up towards that next resistance level at 72 and 74 cents. What I'm afraid of though, and what I think is the most likely scenario, given what I just said about that phenomenon of second rallies, but apart from that, also the market, Bitcoin has been recovering a little bit over the last 24 hours, but it's far from bullish or strong. And apart from that, we also, if you zoom in, excuse me, if you zoom in, you can see that we actually broke down below 60 cents, which could already be seen as a bearish confirmation. So altogether, I think it is the most likely scenario that we will not hold that level between 57.5 and 60 cents. And then at some point we will drop down below 57.5 cents. And then there's like a sea of support between 55 and 50 cents. So we will not break through that easily. But altogether, I do think that the general trend and direction for Solar still is down, where my next real strong support level is around 43 cents. So even though I think we have a lot of support on us, and there is still a possibility that if we break above 60 cents right now and we stay on top of that for 24 hours, we can actually get some more bullish momentum. Even though I think that's the case, I also think this still is the most likely scenario, and that this was just a third rally in this case. But that's my take on Solar. If you do have any questions, then surely let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.